Today we are going to explore about the of computer networks. The backbone of our modern communication in our digital world. Every time we are sending a message, browsing the internet, streaming a new video, or sending a transferring a files, anything else, we are using network. So when compared to the ratio of hundreds, 90 members peoples were using the smartphone. So everyone is taking the network. But when connected to the system wise, based on the geographical area covered, the networks classified into five types, but mainly they focused upon the three types. That is a very basic type, that is LAN, WAN, LAN, MAN, WAN, and that is and another type is PAN, that is personal area network, and CAN, that is campus corporate area network. So these are the five types of networks most probably used in the world, and each server of a uses in the different unique purpose, and how many users are using, how many users it supports, and how the speed of communication they are having. If for example, if you're using in office, or if you're using in schools, the computer networks will be is moderate. If you're using in IT fields, what is network or web digital marketing like that, we are just sending the data or receiving the data, we can be gather the network as a high level. So how we are using the network, that we can be managed. For example, if we using the WAN, it can be delivered, it can be used by the all over many persons, we can be used. For example, if we used in a race course, some other in public places, they will be used, the Wi-Fi is in outer area. If we using uh, in home, like that way we can use the LAN network. So we are going to see about the networks, which is various types of networks briefly. So first we are going to see about the LAN network. So LAN network is the definitions of computer with a limited area, and think about a home, office, and school networks. They offer high data transfer rates, and LAN owns the small areas up to a few kilometers. They boost the speed over 1 gigabits per second. So it is an already known as a private ownership. So for example, most probably it is connected in computer lab and office networks, printers, which is connected to the printers, and most probably they will use, for example, if a gas office, they will connect it with three computers and one with the printer, like that way. This is called as the local area networks. Their usage will be a very slow. Next we are going to see about the metropolitan area network. So this network will feels the defines the span city of a large campus. So it's connected with a group of building peoples, and it covers the region of 50 kilometers, and usually connects with multiple LAN technology. So multiples of LAN is called as the metropolitan network, and here higher speed of WAN, but lower than the LAN. We not use high speed of Wi-Fi technology, then we can use high speed of LAN technology. So it's a moderate speed, and typically it's maintained by the ISP technologies, which we have been used here. So here we are used in the city mode, and this key features is covers the 50 to 50 kilometers. Here we use the government networks like through Wi-Fi, and it is suitable for city-wide connectivity and allows multiple locations to share resources, and it's a very faster communication than compared to the LANs, and its challenges is expensive setup and complex configuration. So next we are going to see about the WAN, that is wide area network. So this wide area networks will present the computer as compared to the LAN and WAN. So the WAN uses the diverse infrastructures. This includes satellites under cables, leased lines, and they are no longer limit. And this benefits is enables a long distance communicates and resources. How it's sharing, and they are slower than expensive, and it's a very less secure than LAN, and it is a very global. We all know about this wide area network, which is the biggest LAN network, and it is a banking network like used in the ATM machines. And this also have some disadvantages, that is high setup and maintenance cost will be required, and security issues due to the public access, because many unauthorized weapons can be hacked or access the wide area network, and it's a slower data transfer and latency will be provided. So next we are going to see about the wireless network. This is a freedom to easy and is also maintained. So next we are going to see about the CAN, that is campus area network, which represents as the multiple lands which limited to the geographical systems as campus or business park. This is a larger than land but smaller than the man. The span several buildings in campus or enterprise and usually owned by operated by a single organizations. So the networks allows all buildings of the university. So IT park or factory with multiple departments and office blocks. So this characters is a medium large and utilize the high speed backbone. Typically one organization manages them. So they can cost effective for campus use and this maintenance is requires the skilled personalized. So we can use which network we can be used. The next is virtual private networks. This is a secure network which is encrypted connections and they secure the data over the public network, and like internet they ensures the privacy and the autonomicity. The application which remote works with the using the VPNs for secures the office access. Thank you. So these are the different types of computer network type comparisons. So we are comparing here how they build, how it's connected, how the medium is slow, or and how we are using this.